Show you the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, remote window operation, speed proportional power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.